I did an experiment of planting coriander in a cardboard box successfully. And these are the baby corianders, along with the one big that we are seeing, that is groundnut as well. And left side, the boy is Poppy, and right side, that is Twinkle. And they discovered that it is yummy treat for them, and now they started enjoying delicious tender leaves, fresh leaves for them. Let them eat and they're gonna grow up again. The coriander started coming, yet to complete mature, but they are enjoying the tender leaves. And what Twinkle is eating right now, the big one, that is groundnut that accidentally fell in a pot, but that also germinated, and looks like I'm gonna have lots of groundnuts as well. And it's really fun enjoying time with birds and gardening experiments.